Meet Jeff Dabe, a man with hands so massive they seem unreal. But trust us, this is not Photoshop.
Cool, right? Yes, that was done by AI. Look at this channel, it is called Dan Knows It All. They have over 124,000 subscribers, and they have accumulated over 100 million views. When we take a look at their social blade, we can see that they are estimated to make around $100,000 a month. And all they do is create these Guinness Book of Record shorts and go mega viral. Let's get started ourselves now. To get some video content ideas, it is a great idea to go to the Guinness World Record website. Today, we're going to make a video about the man with the super big hands. I go to YouTube and find a suitable video. Like this one right here. Now get the transcript of that video and copy it. Now we go to ChatGPT and ask the following. I want to create a short video, no more than 1 minute, about a guy that has the biggest hands. Please give me the narration script. Here is the input text for you. And now paste the transcript. Okay, perfect. Now copy the script and go to 11 Labs. Choose a great voice from the voice library. I will use the filters to find the perfect voice in just a few seconds. This is the one we will use. Now paste the ChatGPT script and make sure to edit the text and remove unnecessary words and sentences. Now generate it.
Meet Jeff Dabe, a man with hands so massive they seem unreal. But trust us, this is not Photoshop.
Sounds perfect. Download it and now add it to CapCut. If you have a lot of pauses in the audio, I'd advise to delete them, but since there are none here, it is perfect as it is. Now next, we will get the footage. I will simply download a lot of footage about the big hand man from YouTube. Now add it to CapCut. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Extract the audio and remove the audio. Now cut all the footage in little pieces and mix them together. You need to make sure that you transform the content enough and add value in order to fall under fair use and avoid copyright claims. Now create a compound clip and duplicate it. We will make the clip that is beneath the other one bigger and add a blur effect to it. Next up, generate the captions and choose a nice template. Next up, I added this effect to make the content even more transformative. Now pick some background music from the YouTube audio library and add it. Add filters. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro, and that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own Guinness World Record shorts with AI. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
Meet Jeff Dabe, a man with hands so massive they seem unreal. But trust us, this is not Photoshop. His left fist, a whopping 17 inches around, his ring finger, 5 inches in circumference. They call him Popeye, but we just call him Jeff. A pro arm wrestler with over 1.5 million followers, Jeff's hands have taken him from small-town Minnesota to internet fame. Born with naturally giant hands, Jeff never let them hold him back. Growing up on a farm, he built strength the old-fashioned way. Hard work, heavy lifting, and of course, arm wrestling. Even at 61, he's still taking on challengers, but don't be fooled, he's not just about brute strength. His secret? A lifetime of dedication, a love for the sport, and a flip phone? From arm wrestling to farm life, Jeff's story is larger than life. Just like his hands. Think you could beat him in a match? We wouldn't bet on it.